Hey guys, welcome to Legendary Detail Garage. And as you can see, winter is here. We're still busy with some projects here in the garage today, so we'll run through them and show you what we're working on. First here, this GMC Denali, the client opted for us to do full ceramic window tint. So we're going to install tint to these side windows here and then back window, and then we're also doing the strip up top just to block out glare from the sun and give you better visibility down the road. Further down here we have this 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. This one we're also installing window tint. We're going to be matching the front two windows to the rest of the truck. So from the factory it has privacy glass. So we're going to give that sleek finish so it's a uniform result on this truck with this brilliant red paint. It's really gonna pop. And over here to the left, this toy is being put away. It was driven throughout the summer. Maybe a little late on the storage now that it's full of snow out, but we prepped this, cleaned the exterior. We did a full decontamination on the wheels. A lot of German vehicles, particularly Porsche, Mercedes, BMW, are known for creating a lot of brake dust, so we made sure to do a very, very intense deep clean of the wheels. Then we also set off the interior with a full interior detail, then reconditioned all the leather. This 911 Carrera has the extended leather package, so it pretty much means that every surface has a leather finish. So leather dries out over time, so we made sure to recondition it so it stays soft and looking nice. And then at the very back of the shop here, we have some brand new fuel wheels that we're prepping to ceramic coat. So these will be going on a client's vehicle. And the best time to protect the wheels are when they're new. And even better is before the tires and anything else get mounted on here so we can get all the edges and surfaces. And then, of course, we're doing the inner barrel as well. So that's going to prevent any road grime, particularly with this weather, snow from getting packed into the barrel and giving you some vibration as you drive down the road. So we're going to be cleaning those up. Yeah, that's some of the projects we have here in the shop. We can still help you with window tint, paint protection film, interior details, exterior details, any prep for storage or anything like that. Give us a call, 605-777-3012, or you can send us an email at info@legendarydetailgarage.com. You guys stay warm.